start.
Remember the new Passat that was launched in 2012? I was there in Jordan when it was launched in the Middle East. Well, that was a slightly bigger car. And that was when the European Passat was, instead of the European Passat, the one that was made in America was brought into this region. Well, we have a new one, an improvement on that. And talking about it is Clemens, the product manager of Volkswagen Middle East. So what exactly is new about this car? I mean, I know it's the new Passat.
It is.
But what is new about the new Passat?
So we are presenting here today proudly the second generation of the Passat from the United States. Like I said, we introduced the car initially in 2012. In 2016, we brought the first facelift here to the region, and today we are proud to bring the second facelift to the region. We're actually the first market to launch this car worldwide. So even in the US, the vehicle has not yet been launched, and we are here in the region selling the first units ahead of the United States. We've made a lot of changes on the vehicle, especially in the front of the car. We've updated the design language, especially on the front grille of the vehicle, introducing new full LED headlights on the vehicle, and overall included the global Volkswagen corporate identity into the vehicle. So if you look at the car from the front, it very much resembles what you've seen on the new Touareg, which we recently launched.
Right.
In addition to that, we've made some changes on the sides of the car. So you see now that we've introduced several new lines which give a more sporty and striking silhouette.
Right, right.
We've also changed the wheels of the vehicle. The top of the line, the Passat Highline, now comes standard with 18-inch alloy wheels, which also have a new and updated design.
Right.
Going to the rear of the vehicle, we also see that a lot of changes have been made. One in particular is that the lights, which used to be a little bit more round, are now more flat. They are a little bit 3D. Again, it's LED tail lights, just giving the car an updated and more modern look. We also now see for the first time on the Passat space.
This is more like the Terramont.
Exactly, we've seen it on the Artin and Terramont, which is a feature that you know from other premium manufacturers.
Right. And in fact, the exhaust also.
The exhaust also has been
well,
updated.
that's a false exhaust.
It's a false exhaust, but this is also again a full chrome exhaust cladding that you've also seen, for example, on the Arteon.
That's true. And what's inside?
So moving to the interior of the car, we've focused here with the second generation facelift of the Passat. We've really focused on the driver.
Yeah.
So the main changes.
Oh, it looks quite premium, really.
It is. We've really focused on the dashboard.
Yes.
So now you see air vents that run across the entire width of the car. We've completely updated the innovative infotainment system that you know from Volkswagen. So we have now a 6.3-inch composition media as standard across all vehicles, and it no longer has mechanical buttons. As a matter of fact, it's completely covered in glass like modern smartphones, and it has touch buttons here on top.
Oh wow, really? So I think I thought they were buttons. No. So this is an entire glass panel, and this is. You know, it's like touching your smartphone. That's what Clemens was saying. And look at that. The wood paneling looks really classy. So I think well, by the way, the engine, which has been proven quite good in this region, it's a 2.5 liter. It's the same engine, 170 horsepower, if I remember right.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So, most of the changes have actually happened in the comfort and the design inside, in the interiors. As spacious as ever, but I think Clemens is going to tell me no, it is more spacious than earlier, right?
No, it has the same dimensions. So we've, in terms of the length of the car, the wheelbase, the seat spacing offering, that remained unchanged. The only change is the car is 3.5 centimeters longer, but that is mainly due to the redesigned front.
Okay.
But on the rear, it is already very
That's
spacious.
exactly.
So there was really no need to update it.
I remember having a conversation with fellow editors. It's quite difficult to actually make the new Passat more spacious because, you know, first of all, it was designed in America. I mean, it was produced in America. I mean, people who love space, big cars. Look at that. There's enough space in there.
Also in the boot.
And in the boot, it seems. So let's see that.
Just a second.
There we go.
450
Oh my
liters
goodness!
of space with the bench up, so you can really see how spacious the car is.
Yeah, indeed. So I think that must be one of the most spacious booths of family car that you've seen. So great. So that is pretty much the changes in the new Passat. Have we left anything?
That's it.
That's it. Well, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
So great. Thanks a lot, Clemens. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.